Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I usually post craft videos, but today I came across an amazing recipe and I wanted to share it with you guys. So it's just a simple shawarma recipe with ingredients available at home. Now let's get right into the video. Let's go! First take a bowl and put 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of warm water. Make sure the water is not too hot because it will not allow the yeast to rise. Now stir all the ingredients properly. Now add 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Now keep mixing till all the particles are dissolved. Cover the mixture with the lid, then keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now take a big bowl. Now start adding flour into the bowl. Add half cup of flour for each kupus. Now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Now add a pinch of salt. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Now let's take the yeast that we kept aside for rising and pour it into the flour. Now stir all the ingredients well. Now add a little bit of water and start rolling it into a dough. Keep adding water when needed. Only add water according to the consistency of the flour. After rolling it for some while, it will become a dough like this. Now spread a thin layer of oil on top of the dough. Now cover the bowl with a light clothing. Now our chicken is all fried. Now let's move it into a plate. Here is the chicken fried and ready. Now let's cut it into tiny bits. Make sure to cut it small as possible. Now let's cut all the chicken like this. Here is the chicken all cut. Now let's add it into the vegetable salad. And now mix everything properly. Now it looks all ready. Now let's cut some potatoes into long pieces and fry them. This is going to be the French fries we are going to be filling in our shawarma. French fries is only optional. Make sure to deep fry them properly. Now our French fries is all ready. Now let's move on to the next. Now our dough is riced properly. Now let's mix it with our hands. Now let's roll them into thick balls. Remember, everything should have same size and volume. Here, they're ready. Now let's flatten each of the balls like chapati. Use a roller to get the correct circle shape. Make sure to apply some maida before spreading, or it will stick to your hands. Ready. Now let's fry them in a pan. Now our chapati is all ready. It looks very soft and delicious. Now let's move on to the last part. We will be needing butter paper for wrapping all the ingredients together. Now let's start adding mayonnaise to the couscous. Spread it properly with a spoon. Now let's add the fillings. Now let's add the French fries. We should add tomato sauce after it. I didn't add because I don't like tomato sauce. I'll add some garlic paste in the sides and spread it properly. Now let's wrap everything together properly. Now our shawarma is done. Everybody try this recipe at home. It's very delicious and an amazing experience. It's very easy to make and made with only ingredients at home. I recommend this recipe to all of you. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what I should post next week. Thanks for watching.